I am going to be in a second. Oh, bottle. The Phantoms are planning something awful. We even overheard them talking about one of the alphas. Peck. No, Greeley. Peck. No, Green. Ah! So this is like really mysterious. But I'm going to be taking you to my farmhouse. So I will be at my farmhouse in a minute, and you guys are coming with me all the way. Yeah, so here are my 2 lights. This is like the birds. This is like blocks. Like this is mainly for the birds, but we just need to add this to no. We need to add this to my farmhouse, and this will go here because this is a very old sort of house. And then like I've got my pinata here, and I've got my huge leaf pile. It says welcome. Yeah, I'm very artistic if you didn't already notice. And this is sofa, so I can chill out on here. And we have like a little tea set, so we can have some TV sugar. That really nice. And then in here is the pets room. Skylar's room. Skylar, come off there. Skylar, please come off. Thank you. Right, and let's see the time on my watch right now. Let's check. Right, it's your bedtime. There you go. So she likes to be around a lot of toys when she's going to sleep. So I always put like a bunch of toys there for her, just so she can bury them. And she looks really cute. And then this is like my bedroom. And then I have like a giant table up there. Actually, well, kind of sort of like a Greeley sort of shrine sort of room. And then this is my lamp here. This will be my lamp. And yeah, this is basically my farmhouse. Just tidying up the leaves. Right, no. Yep, I got them. Yep. Yeah, but right, is where I'm going to take you guys. Well, we are going to be going. Actually, we're not going to be doing anything but quiz. Oh my god, what was that at the top? I need to take you to the adventure base camp. And some place around here is from Julian. It's going rotten. I don't know where it is. So we are going to go find the rotten place. Like, why not worship foxes? Don't get it. Just why? Why don't you worship foxes? I think I need an eagle to go see the land where the is rotting. But I am just a simple little fox. This is just like, is there ever going to be anything that, oh, like, come here, like, really, will there ever be? Battery. But look at that. So, we got this extra Brady up here, and then we got the hidden forward. We got the front lines, and then here is pollution. So, Animal Jam, we need to sort out the pollution, or the Phantom's taking over, is that their forest? Because where we are, the adventure base camp is here. So, well, it's actually around here somewhere, so this water must be polluted. It used to be there. Very, very fishy. Yep, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video of me taking you around. How did you get here? Oh, for God's sake, who cares about it now? And bye. Me and Bobo say bye. Bye.